Texas Bariatric Specialist offers a complete, comprehensive medical and surgical weight loss clinic in Corpus Christi. When anybody asks me about my Corpus office, it often just makes me take a step back and just smile. It's one of the best cities that I've ever worked in when it comes to the response that the community has had for the package that we're trying to deliver. In our world, we try to provide a one-stop shop for weight loss. And so if weight loss surgery is right for you, we have an entire algorithm for that. And if medical weight loss is something that you want to pursue, we're developing something that will be able to answer all of those questions for you as well. From the surgical weight loss arm, we're one of the only few clinics that are in the region that will offer a one-stop shop. And the one-stop shop is that you're going to be able to meet me, meet the psychologist, and meet the nutritionist all in one stop. You can often do this even on a Saturday, which is one of the unique things that we do in Corpus Christi, because that's where it all began. And so when we look at our commitment to the community in Corpus, it's bigger than we've ever thought it was ever going to grow into. We started off with just one clinic a day, and now we're down there 4 times a month, and probably before the end of next year, we'll wind up having the clinic open at least 4 to 5 days a week, with somebody there always to be able to help you with any of the needs and questions that you have. In our clinic, we offer a nutritional resource store, which is unlike any other. We have metabolic testing. We're able to provide support groups with a regimented schedule of different topics that are important to you. And we're being able to demonstrate to you that we're beyond just doing surgery and leaving town. We're here for you before and after surgery. The success of weight loss surgery is 30% how I do the surgery in the operating room, but the remaining 70% is how we're going to support that package for you forever and ever. That was the one thing that Corpus Christi wasn't able to enjoy when the first weight loss surgeon came into Corpus. Doing surgeries, really not dedicated to it, really didn't have a specialized training that one would want for a surgeon doing weight loss surgery, and the results spoke for themselves. The patients didn't respond, and the doctors didn't respond. But now, we've actually become almost a household name in communities like Alice or in Kingsville, and in Corpus Christi we're becoming more and more popular in regards to the demand for our package. The one-stop package is really, really important. It reduces all of the different aggravations that you have trying to get to weight loss surgery. You take almost 2 years to make a decision that weight loss surgery might be right for you. And then you may have to wait on a doctor's appointment for weeks and then try to jump through all the different hoops that all of the surgeons are going to require you to do, specifically nutritional and psychological evaluations. Now you can do it under one roof. You can do it all in one day. And then you come back to the same spot over and over again if you needed a physician-supervised diet through your insurance company, or if you needed to lose some weight prior to surgery in order to be able to make your surgery safer. We're able to do that all under one setting. One of the questions that's most frequently asked for me is that, while you see me in Corpus, will you be able to do my surgery in Corpus? In reality, there's only one surgeon that's offering weight loss surgery in Corpus Christi at the moment, and that's only the lap band. In reality, I think that the patients are best served in seeing a surgeon who does all 3 types of operations, because it's a fact that not one given procedure is perfect for any given individual. So we have to look at each procedure and each individual and try to match them up together, rather than saying that this one procedure is going to be good for everybody that I see. The surgeons that offer all 3 procedures choose to do their surgeries at bigger hospitals, at more established hospitals. And so what I tell my patients is that when you've done some of your homework about me, some of the other homework that you need to do is about the facility where you're going to have your surgery done at. When you look at the risks of weight loss surgery, it's often dependent upon who does your surgery and where you have it done. The surgeons who choose to do the surgery outside of Corpus Christi are choosing centers of excellence type hospitals. The bigger hospital that I use in San Antonio is on pace to do over 600 weight loss procedures this year. That will be more procedures than all of Corpus Christi put together. When we think about the other facility that I pick, it's a bariatric specialty hospital, where that hospital really only does weight loss surgery. And at that hospital, you have nurse-to-patient ratios that are second to none in the country, and a dedication to weight loss surgery, which I think is second to none in the region. And so our choice of facility is really based upon your safety and being able to make sure that you have a good, comfortable care environment. But the important thing to remember is that that's just a once-in-a-lifetime type of trip, I hope. You come up to San Antonio, you have your weight loss surgery, and then everything else we do for you in Corpus. So your preoperative stuff, your postoperative stuff, your lifelong follow-up will all be done in Corpus Christi. And so your lap band adjustments and different support groups and all the other things that are important to your long-term success are delivered to you right within your neighborhood, rather than having to drive hours and hours to see a surgeon who's really good at what they do but isn't committed to your community.